What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at ColorOS 3.0 for our Redmi Note 4. Yup, with the combination of beautiful hardware of Xiaomi and then again the beautiful screen that Xiaomi gives with the Redmi Note 4, the ColorOS just looks absolutely great over here. But this ROM is not made for your daily driver usage. As you can see, the status bar is yellow and red cause the ROM has been rooted, as you can see, Super SU, then exposed installer. It's just for your fun. There is no VoLTE and stuff, but as many of you guys are not going to use this, I'm going to show you. First of all, starting with the UI, normal Chinese UI. By that I mean a drawerless launcher. You have all of the apps in front. For the smallest thing like adjusting your wallpaper, you have to go to the settings. So let's just hop in over there. There you go. You have complete iOS experience over here. So there are small little things, but most of them are pretty much similar. For example, cloning of the apps, which is also available in the MIUI 9. Scrolling down, you have fingerprint passcode. Yeah, fingerprint scanner works pretty fast actually. Then you have gesture and motion. Well, there are quite a lot, such as screen of gesture, smart call, which do work. Then there is gesture screenshot by mean 3-finger gesture, just like that. Now scrolling down, there are normal stuff such as let's just go to about phone, ColorOS 3.0, Android version 6.0.1, and just like iOS, you have app settings over here. Like later, if you want to control anything in camera, you can come over here. Again, you can just hop into the security right over here. Pretty nice touch, cause unlike iOS, you can actually do this into the app too. But then again, let's just go to the security app. It has WeChat Cleaner, which is the most popular messenger that you can get in China. Then again, you have virus scan. No need of that. Privacy permissions. Then you have file manager and all of the standard stuff. There is nothing much to it. It's just copy of iOS. So they are plain and apps open extremely quick, like almost as quick as OnePlus 5. For example, let's just tap on phone. There you go, it opens. Messages. As I told you before, amazing hardware by Xiaomi, and Redmi Note 4 is already fast. Now if you scroll to the right, we have Oppo member app, then you have Baidu browser and some Chinese stuff. You have UC browser, flashlight, and then again if you see over here, it looks like MIUI calendar, but it isn't. Then you have Super SU, Expose installer, ColorOS settings, Oppo R9 options which don't work, such as Mira version, it doesn't work. Then again eye protection, not working. If you go over here, ColorOS 3.0, there are bunch of Chinese stuff. Example, this first one is a root shield, which doesn't actually work. That's why the status bar is yellow. Best thing that I love about this ROM is, first one would be the app opening times, second one would be the recent apps panel. Yep, the complete iOS feel, and it doesn't lag at all. Background blur just like iOS, you can dismiss all of your apps just like that. It's a bit glitchy, of course it's not iOS, but yeah, you can do it, or just close all. And last one, the camera. The image quality with this ROM is just amazing. I've never taken such great pics with Redmi Note 4. If you are into photography, if this ROM becomes stable, you can definitely try it. Again, you can record in 4K as standard. Go into the export mode, you also have pro mode working. Again, pretty nice. And that's pretty much it. Now if you want to flash this ROM, I have heard that there are some booting issues with the 4GB RAM model, and again it just doesn't work on 2GB RAM model. It just works perfectly on the 3GB RAM model, which I have. So yeah, just try on your own risk. I just wanted to showcase this, and see you in the next one. Peace.